Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. We're still having a good time down at the factory, so open up your Axe FX3, your FM9, or your FM3 to preset 167, Centrifuge. Let's listen to a little sample. It's random number generator time again. All right, let's plug in the 0 for the minimum and 383 for the maximum and hit generate. Number 167. Let's check that one out. Well, I checked, and preset number 167 is Centrifuge on both the Axe FX3 and the FM3, and right now I can only assume that it is also on the FM9. Like a lot of you guys, I'm waiting patiently for an FM9 Turbo. Anyway, they are the same on both units, except that the FM3 version, like you guys with FM3 are going, mine doesn't have this vol pan block. That's true. The Axe FX3 version had it here. Everything else about these two presets is exactly the same, except this vol pan block wasn't there. So I just went ahead and added it and used the same settings that are in the Axe FX3 version. And as you can see, same 3 scene names too. Everything basically is exactly the same. Now this is a fairly efficient preset, with the Axe FX3 version using between 30 and 34% of the CPU. The FM3 version uses between 47 and 49% of the CPU. That's really not a huge difference, all things considered. Now, Centrifuge is a classic example of both parallel and series processing. This is one of those presets that would be extremely hard to reproduce in the real world because of the routing involved. All right, let's take a look under the hood of this preset. It has 3 scenes: classic, no delays, and no roto. Now, besides the in and out block, it uses 9 blocks: amp, cab, rotary 1, rotary 2, filter 1, filter 2, delay 1, delay 2, and vol pan. The amp block uses the 65 bass guide normal in channel A and is used in all 3 scenes. The cab block uses factory 2 number 200, a 4x10 bass guide 121 in channel A, and is used in all 3 scenes. Rotary 1's rate parameter is controlled by external 1, which would be connected to your expression pedal. Rotary 1 is used in scenes 1 and 2. Rotary 2's rate parameter is also controlled by external 1. Now the difference between the 2 rotary blocks is the starting speed of the rate parameter. Rotary 2 is twice as fast as Rotary 1. Rotary 2 is also used in scenes 1 and 2. Filter 1's frequency is controlled by LFO 1B. Filter 2's frequency is controlled by LFO 1A. Now we can see that the difference between LFO 1A and 1B is in the mapping parameters, like 18.5, 50, 78.7, 50, 1, 0, and 5%, compared to 26.4, 55.1, 65.0, 50, and then again 1, 0, and 5%. Both filter blocks are used in all 3 scenes. Filter 2's frequency has a much larger sweep than that one in the filter 1 block. Both filter blocks are used in all 3 scenes. Delay 1 uses the digital stereotype in channel A and is used in scene 1. Delay 2 also uses the digital stereotype in channel A and is also used in scene 1. The vol pan block reduces the overall volume from 10 down to 6.5. Now, as I said, the magic in this preset is in the routing. It uses 3 parallel paths, and each path feeds into at least one of the other paths. Now I'll demo all 3 scenes and we'll list the scene names on screen, and we'll also show which unit was used. So there you have it, guys. Preset number 167, Centrifuge. You know, when I first tried this one out, I swore, without even looking at it, it had to have a comp block because it just had that sound and that feel of a comp. Man, was I surprised when I saw no comp block at all. So excellent job, guys. Now, I can see this preset being used to either add some icing on the cake or some nice rhythm in the background. I mean, hey, kind of seemed to work well for Purple Rain, so why not? Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Now, this Friday, we are going to be looking at using Spidif, per suggestion from the comment section. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, we will see you on Friday.